Hello everybody, I'm Bob Martin from Services Etc. Carpet and Upholstery Cleaning in Hazleton, Pennsylvania, and today I'm going to show you how to remove tar, grease, and oil-based stains from your carpet. A few things you want to have on hand are denatured alcohol, some white cotton towels or rags, and a mixture of 4 ounces of water to a 1/4 teaspoon of a degreasing type of dish detergent. The first thing you want to do is identify the type of spot or stain you're going to be working on. In this case, I took a little bit of motor oil and some impacted grease from the chain off a motorcycle, and I've impacted that into the carpet yarns, so it's going to be a little stubborn. But you should always try to decipher whether you're working on an oil and grease-based stain or if it's a water-based stain. Oil-based spots require a solvent or dry type cleaning agent. Water-based spots require a water-based type cleaning agent. Sometimes we combine both to achieve the desired results. Now, before putting anything on your carpet, I suggest you always pre-test the solution in an inconspicuous location. You can try your cleaning solution, behind the door or inside a closet, somewhere where it's not going to be noticeable in case something goes terribly wrong. Liberally apply some of your cleaning agent to your towel and then blot the spot, not rubbing, working from the outside edge towards the center. Remember to always blot, never rub, because rubbing is going to cause friction, which is going to take the twist and lay out of your carpet yarns, and you're going to wind up with a clean spot that looks all distorted and just looks worn. As I flip my towel over, I'm checking for any dyes that may be bleeding out of the carpet, and I'm also checking to see if my spot is transferring into my towel. You can see the towel is turning black as the grease is being absorbed into my towel. The grease from the motorcycle chain that I've embedded into this rug contains a certain amount of road dirt, which is a water-soluble soil. So when my alcohol no longer gives me any transfer of the spot, I'm going to switch over and apply my water-based cleaning detergent to my white towel and continue the blotting process. And again, I'm going to look for any dye transfer coming out of the carpet, and I'm also going to look for transfer of the spot into my towel. Water-based dish detergents usually contain surfactants, which will help penetrate into the carpet yarns more easily. And I can also switch back to my denatured alcohol if I feel that the dish detergent has stopped working. After successfully removing the spot, I can take my denatured alcohol again and just wipe over the area, and that'll help remove any of the residue from the dish detergent that may be left in there. And I can take my hair comb and groom through the fibers to stand up the yarn to assist in drying, and will also restore any of the crushed pile that may have resulted from the blotting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please keep checking back, because we're going to be identifying other spots and stains and showing you how to remove those as well.